So today we will focus on some special topics. All are related to theory of computation and also with data structures. So one by one we will understand the topics about what is complexity in algorithm, what is time and space complexity, what is complexity classes, about P classes, NP classes, NP complete and NP hard problem. Apart, polynomial and non-polynomial time and order of complexity algorithm. So one by one we understand the concept. So first is what is complexity of an algorithm. So as per the definition, complexity of an algorithm is a measure of time and space required by an algorithm for input of size n. So there are so many types of complexity maybe in computer science, but especially we are talking about only two specific category. It means what? About time complexity and space complexity. So first for time complexity. So in time complexity, time taken by an algorithm to solve the problem. Second, time complexity means is measured by big O notation, and this result may be based on the performance of algorithm. So based on the performance we can decide what best case, average case and worst case algorithm. And because of these all types of three specific condition is based on time complexity, and time complexity measured by big O notation. So there is a list of specific notation by which we can easily represent the specific performance of any algorithm. So we divides all these specific set of notations into specific part, one for polynomial time and one for non-polynomial time. So there is a boundary in between the polynomial time algorithm and non-polynomial time algorithm. So when we move from first to the last in this increasing order, we got a specific result like best result, good result, fair result, bad, very bad, and one by one worst result. So it means what? From constant time, log time, linear time, and quadratic time and cubic time. And last is what? Polynomial time. It means what? Our result may be good when our results must under from this first part of polynomial time. And suppose our result not under in this first part, it means what? Our result may be in second part. So the second part is under the worst category. So the second part is also known as exponential, or we can say non-polynomial time algorithm. So as per the observation and performance, we select best feasible big O notation and assign category. It means what? The above order only shows special conditions. It means not only that all algorithms should follow the same observation. Second, for some methods, complexities may be different based on their performance. Like in this diagram, we got a specific different big O notation for different types of methods. Like at the time of linear search, in best case it indicates by constant time with the help of big O notation, but average case will be represented by linear time. Apart, worst case is also represented by linear time. And in binary search method, the best case will be constant, and average case will be log time, and again worst case will be log time. And suppose we are talking about insertion methods, in that case the best case is what? Linear, and average case is what? Quadratic, and also worst case means what? Is quadratic time observation. Next, now how to check time complexity? So we can check time complexities with the help of n types of methods, but especially in the first case we can measure, like suppose uh, we have same program and with same size, and this program is executed by three specific methods, a1, a2 and a3. And suppose after executed by a3, the result produced in 0.1 second, and after executed by algorithm a2 or method a2, the result we got in 0.2 second, and with the help of the third next algorithm a1, the result we got is what? In 0.5 second. These are what? These are time performance of three specific different algorithm a1 and a2 and a3. In the same case, suppose for the same program we use different size of inputs. So again, in this case the same program will be tested by using the different sizes, and again if one time program is executed by a3 and the result may be in 0.2 second, and the second time the input size is changed and again tested by a second method a2, and again we got a specific time result in 0.4 second, and by the help of this third method or algorithm on the same program with the different size 20, we got a result in 0.7. So at the time of observation the observation of A and B result that A3 is the best algorithm, because the time taken by A3 is very less than all the performance of different algorithms. So like A and B, many checking alternates may be possible. Now we can represent various big O notation using a graph. So one by one we easily put the specific big O time complexity notation as per the graph form. So we can easily see like constant notation is represented by a straight line, apart log time is represented by this line. In the same case, all specific increasing order notation of polynomial and non-polynomial time represented by the help of this specific graph diagram. So we understand the basic concept of time and space complexity as well as orders and properties of methods. In second part, we will understand the complexity classes like P class, NP complete class and NP hard class in very deep mode. At the last, complexity theory have many topics, and if you want lecture on any topic, please write about in comment section. Also your suggestions are invited, and if you like my lecture, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.